Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Jeep Cherokee High Altitude. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.6 V6 pushing out 260 horsepower and 295 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Grand Cherokee badging on the side. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear heated seats. 4x4 Jeep badging. Power liftgate. Queen side floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Keyless entry, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a dark black wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, different driving settings, 8-speed automatic transmission. This Jeep has 33,367 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep Cherokee, check out feldmanimports.com.